Hey. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can search with speech on Google App. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So Google App allows you to search with speech using the speech recognition feature. To do this, open your Google App, and then you should see we have this AI speech feature, which is provided by Gemini. If you tap on it, now here you can say anything and it will be typed. As you can see, I'm told here,
That's right. You can use your voice to type in a lot of different apps, including Google Docs or for messages. This feature, sometimes called voice typing or dictation, lets you speak and have the words appear on the screen. Is there anything specific you'd like to try typing with your voice now?
right? So that's how you can use that feature. Just speak and your speech will be typed and get the response. So that's how you can search with speech on Google App. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.